Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language, dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 22. The Extraordinary Idols. On the 8th of the month Zakiri, on the night of Tuesday, the following day being Wednesday of the year Hirasat 1224, from the birth of Muhammad, corresponding to the 7th of Jamadul Thani in the morning, I had the following dream. There seemed to be a big temple, the back portion of which was slightly damaged. It contained several large idols. I went into the temple along with a few other men and noticed that the idols were seeing like human beings and their eyes were in motion. I was surprised to see the eyes of the idols moving like those of the living and wondered what could it be due to. Then I approached them. In the last row there were two female idols. One of these two, drawing out her sari from betwixt her two knees, stated that both of them were women, while the rest of the idols were the image of men and other objects. She added that they had been praying to God for a long time, and everyone ought to nourish oneself. I said to her, "That is fine. Do keep yourself occupied with the remembrance of God." Having said that, I ordered my men to repair the dilapidated building. In the meantime, I woke up. End of Dream 22.